Alright. So we will up to here that during G1 and G2, which are called the gap phases or the growth phases, what happens? It's the contents of the cytoplasm, they double up. Meaning that the cytoplasm increases in amount. And what's in the cytoplasm? You could say ribosomes, mitochondria, the protein content, the carbohydrate content. So everything that is there in the cytoplasm, the cell starts accumulating it. Okay? So as a result, so if it's this bigger cell, all of these contents, they double up because it's getting ready to divide, because it has to distribute the contents amongst two cells, which are called the daughter cells. That's why it becomes this big in size. So forget about the nucleus for now. Everything over here doubles up during G1 and G2. Yep? Now, what happens during S part? S stands for synthesis. And synthesis is about what happens inside the nucleus. Now, what's present in the nucleus? What's in here? DNA on the chromosomes. So what happens here is the chromosomes double up. So whatever happens in the nucleus happens here. Whatever happens in the cytoplasm happens here. Right? And remember, nucleus made up of chromosomes. And chromosomes are, say, one chromosome is like this, and one chromosome at the moment, or in a normal cell which is not dividing, is made up of this one long structure, which is called the chromatid. So one chromosome at the moment is made up of one chromatid. Okay? And inside it is one long DNA molecule. So this is one long DNA molecule. Okay? So what happens to this chromosome during the S phases? DNA replication. Means the DNA makes a copy of itself. Okay? Through the process called DNA replication. Replication means it makes a replica of itself. It makes a copy of itself. So when DNA copies itself, this chromosome, it starts looking like this. So this is its original thing, and it makes another copy of itself. Is it two chromosomes now? No. Still one, but with two chromatids. That's how it doubles up. Okay? So this is still one chromosome, but with two chromatids, or you could say with two DNA molecules. Right? So this DNA is an exact copy of this one. And why do you think has DNA replicated itself? Why does this happen before cell division? Yeah. So that, exactly, when this cell divides to make two daughter cells, there's enough DNA. Each one gets one. Okay? So there's an equal division. Otherwise, it will have to cut the DNA from here. And if the DNA cuts from here into the daughter cells, some of the cells will get the genes for, say, height, other cells will get the genes for something else. They won't get all the genes. So this way it has made two copies. Finally, when the cell divides into two, each one gets a copy of the whole DNA. Clear? So all this happens here. So the DNA replication occurs during S phase. cytoplasm growth occurs during G1 and G2. This results in, say, if you look at a cell that has 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes, this one results in still 4 chromosomes, but with 2 chromatids each. Right? The cell is now ready to divide. Means interphase has completed. Right? Turn this off.